Hello everyone, welcome again to our new topic of the Uipath. In this session, I will explain you how to extract the report which is generated in Salesforce account. So, as we have already seen in various organizations when they are working with the big project which contains lots of multiple data, and if management team wants to extract that data, they can do it easily by using just one click. So here we'll automate this stuff in Uipath so that when the management team wants to extract any type of report based on their requirement, they will do that. So how is they will get benefited from them? So just like assume they are not non-technical managers who want to extract the report from the Salesforce and they don't know any in and out of Salesforce and Uipath. So as the developer, when they are started coding, they will code each and everything. Manager just have to click on this and get the report on easy way. So we will automate this thing in Uipath so that by one click anyone can extract the report as per their requirement. So here I am showing you lead generation report, but if you want to create some other report, you can also do that just clicking on this. So if you just see here, if I want to create some further report, all reports, click on new report. Just I want to extract the account and contact details. So, or just like if I want to extract campaigns, I just have to click on this campaign. You can see here. So whatever campaign app already created is available based on the filter. So if I want to my active campaigns, if I want to extract all the campaigns which is available in this login or in this portal, will be available for you. So but this way you can extract whatever data is available in your report. So just click on run. That will refresh your page and you can see this campaign report is generated. So let me save this, or if you want to extract, you can do it. My campaign report, you can see here all campaign in report. So by this way you are able to create a report in Salesforce. So in Uipath I am going to show you how we will extract it by using Uipath. So before starting this, we will need Salesforce login credential, Salesforce activities to install from the project dependency. Once you will install these packages, you are able to see all the activities should be available. Test connection is always required, so you have to configure your Uipath with Salesforce. Once it is done, click on test connection. You are able to see valid connection is successfully done. Then you will need extract or execute report. So after executing report, you have to mention your report ID. So from where you can get the report ID, just like if I want to extract this campaign report, I should write it this one. So this is your ID. Mention this in report ID field. Right? Click on OK. You can see all the warnings are resolved. But when we are extracting the data which contains multiple columns, it's not easy to check on each and every field on one file. So you have to, after extracting this, you have to store in one data table. So I am writing here control create, then create a variable DT2. Once the DT2 will be created, you can use CSV. So write the CSV, extract this activity, provide the folder location where you want to save this file. Just like here, I am going to provide here the campaign report .csv. Save this, provide the DT2 as the data table name so that you're able to save your campaign data. Now you can see include headers is also available, but when you are working with the account details, leads information, so you can see multiple columns are available, so it's not easy to extract it from there. So just like if I will click here, I am able to see multiple rows and multiple columns. So these all data is not easy or simple to check it on one text panel. So better to write that code and open that Excel file so that you're able to see all the details should be available in your Excel or CSV file. So by this way you are able to create. Let's save this and run your activity. Let me run this. So it will go to Salesforce login because our connection is valid, so it will jump to Salesforce login with the detail and go to your report ID, search for the report ID. Once the report ID is available on screen, they will extract the data and write it to CSV file. Once writing is done, it will close the file and execution is now here completed. Next task, if you want to send this, you can include your email to the person who are interested for this report, include the email ID and send that report to the person who is looking for this report. So by this way the complete execution will be completed. So let's wait for the completion. For those who are looking for configuring connection with Uipath to the Salesforce, please watch my previous session or I will include this in my description tab. That's YouTube URL will be included because I have already explained in my previous session. So rather than explaining and taking your time, I have directly jumped to the actual content. And for those who are new to this channel, consider liking and subscribing the channel and pressing bell icon for latest update. So let's wait for the report generation. So there is one option is also available which will require some configuration to be done for extracting report. You can see here execute report with the filter. This I will explain in your next session or further sessions because it will take some time to grab the activity. We have to configure with the code as well. So let's check our report. I've already opened my file. You can see here campaign report file is created. Let me open this. Now you can see whatever data is available on my login, all the data is copied here. So rather than any column, n numbers of column, n numbers of row, you can extract through this script. So by this way you have automated and extracted the report from Salesforce login using Uipath. Hope you understand it. If you have any queries or comment, please comment below so that I'll check and revert with the resolution. and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for the latest update. Thank you.